teenage life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. My name is Peter Kaden. I'm a farm boy. Today I'm in Murang'a County, that is where I was born, and I have this project I'm doing back at home. Yeah, remember I'm still in the school learning about agriculture and agribusiness, where we grow tomatoes using hydroponics. And today I'm here at Murang'a again, and I have this kuku project. The kuku project is all about kienyenji chickens, and I want to start with about 30 chicks and see the pro.
So guys, it's my first time kuweka kuku, but I have a bit of history from our father. Alikuanga na kuku nikiwa mtoi.
I just want to see how it goes. I will learn about it. I've done a lot of research here and there about the cages, about everything, and today I'm here with my friends who are helping me to come up with this beautiful cage, and we are having our lunch time here. So beautiful. That is our coffee. So we are halfway. We had to take a break for lunch, and then we came back and finished our cage here. So guys, after work we decided to celebrate our our day. It was on Sunday, and tukaamua kukunywa kidogo. So kila mtu ako kwa shughuli kutengeneza viti za kukalia ndio at least hii place ikae vizuri. And after finishing, najua tu kila msee alifurahia tu, and we enjoyed our seat. And that was a transformation in that place. So I can imagine the person who will be checking on those chicks can sit there and watch the chicks, listen to their songs or to their sounds. It's so fun. You just find yourself meditating. Another thing I have learned through experience is about youth. We have youth who have a lot of potential, and all they need is just directions and funds to just start something, because these guys have all the skill needed for for them to start. Man, they all they need is just empowerment from the government, from the people, from people who have money, people who can start projects like this one, and will create employment to youth. Oh gosh. We are going to start a cooperative whereby each farmer with his 5 or her 5 chickens can bring them to the cooperative, and the cooperative can buy from from them, and that is a ready market for them, and then the cooperative can market their produces and give subsidies, provide trainings. So the following day I had to go to Kennel Town to pick up my chicks, and they are good in health. Yes, and now I'm back at home, and we are finishing the cage because we didn't finish yesterday. And now finally lazima tuzitoe kwa cartons mazini. Najua zimechoka. Mahali nilikuwa nimebebea kwa Nissan zilikuwa zimefinyika kidogo, ama hakukuwa na space enough yangu kubebea kuku hapo hivyo kwa public means. So they look a bit tired, a bit they are struggling, to walk, to jump here and there and stretch their legs, like this one is eating well, like squatting. So that is what we doing here. The following day tukaona pamoja kamededi manze. It was so sad, and I felt so bad. So nikapigia huyo mwenye aliniuzia hizo kuku, akaniambia maybe ilipata transfer shock, kama hiyo ku travel maybe ilipatia shock. So mimi nilikuwa nafikiria ni baridi, nilikuwa nimeiwekea kajiko hapo hivyo, and this is how they look after 2 weeks.